Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 7-inch polishing kit. So this has got like a Velcro surface, the other side of it. These are exactly 7 inches, about 1.25 inches thick. I do like that we get the wool part here. It's got Velcro on it too. We've got the adapter that we can attach to our polisher, and then these will just attach to it like this, and they just pull off with Velcro. Looks very nice. Different levels here. This one's a little bit more coarse. This one's pretty coarse here. So yeah, this one's pretty soft. This one's really soft. This one's a little soft too. Different levels of coarseness for all of these. Now here's what this one looks like. Looks like we got some plastic we got to take off. And then that also will fit on the Velcro here. Yeah, you can do some really nice polishing with these. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.